how to adjust the size of the projection screen. For the convenience of demonstration, hide the sidebar first. Open Advanced Settings. Dragging the slider with the mouse will change the size of the small window. Drag to maximum. The small window size is large enough to facilitate direct mouse clicking on the small window for operation. Drag to the minimum to see more devices on the same screen. Double-clicking a small window with the mouse will automatically enlarge and turn it into the main control window. Drag the slider, and the main control window will also change accordingly. We can also set the main control window mode. Change to floating, movable, and draggable position. You can also choose multi-window mode. In multi-window mode, all windows can become the main control window. The window can also be moved. Select Fixed Window to restore normal operation.